Using the myAudi app, you can buy selected functions easily and comfortably even after purchasing the vehicle. To do this, open the myAudi app and select the Go to Shop tab under the Functions on Demand menu item. Now you're given an overview of all the options that can be booked. For further information concerning a function, prices and the usage period, click on the respective equipment. For example, here you can select whether you would like to buy the function for a month, a year, or for an indefinite duration. If you would like to try out the function first, the trial month option is available. Once you've decided on a booking option, go to the checkout and then check your data and payment details. Agree to the general terms and conditions and complete your purchase using the Commit to Buy button. Your order will now be transmitted to Audi. The Audi IT backend then communicates with your Audi and transmits the activation information to the central control unit in the vehicle. After a short time, the booked option will be available in your vehicle and ready for installation. Your Audi installs the booked function automatically so that you can use it immediately afterwards. With Functions on Demand, you can configure your Audi flexibly to suit your own individual needs.